Beauty. It's got crabs written all over it. Holy crap, that is loud. Lovely little beach. You can get your own little mini island. I really want to say thank you for watching and subscribing. All of this really just inspires me to show more of these beautiful walks. Orere Point Track. Weka live here. What is it, Weka? I am a threatened North Island Weka. Watch out for me crossing roads. Please keep your dog under control at all times. Please don't feed me. That's a bit harsh. Okay. It's a Weka, not a Kiwi. Is that the confusion? The other side of this entrance is a beach access. This one is a boat access. Whoa, the cicadas are yelling. Absolutely lovely day. To drive from Auckland, how far is it to get here? Not quite an hour?
Probably an hour.
Maybe an hour in the traffic. Wow, man, those cicadas are
Definitely.
it's incredibly loud. Wow. It's surreal. Some random stairs. I will use the stairs. If this is boat access, how does one get the boat to the access?
No, so where we were before on Bailey's Road, you know how we turned around? There was private property on the left, and then on the right there was a wire gate. There was a car waiting for us. They went via the wire gate, and that's to the boat.
Oh, so this is if you're walking to the boat, right? You can. Holy crap, that is loud. God, I feel like there's something wrong with my ears. Jeepers.
It's like being on a concert.
Yeah, it's a concert, but I don't like this kind of music. I don't know why I bought tickets to come to this concert.
The concert of summer.
Summer vibes, summer chills.
Circadian
Circadian
rhythm.
rhythm.
Circadian rhythm and bush. This is called circadian rhythm and bush.
Okay.
Hang on.
Welcome to the circadian rhythm and bush.
It's just this time and runs for its money.
Yeah, Deftones is the opening band.
The song is really, really good.
Far out. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Crazy. Oh, you can see all the cicada shells. Oh, should drink.
big one up there. Oh, and they're all up along the tree. Yeah, they're everywhere.
Put you back.
Metamorphosis.
I did have a teacher in intermediate that said they like nature's crisps and she would eat them. It was very disturbing.
Sorry?
A teacher at my intermediate.
Oh.
Yep.
So do you like them?
Dog. I haven't seen any doggos eat them before. Probably because they know better. Doesn't smell like an appetizing treat. And here we are. To the boat ramp. Do we go up or down?
I will go down.
Let's continue. There's actually quite a lot of parking down here. Mind you, I guess if you're bringing a boat down, it's like parking plus trailer constant. Gonna go see if we can hitch us a ride on a boat. Listening. Smells like the sea. There's a barbecue. Lovely little beach. You can get your own little mini island. Mini island. Beautiful. And so super easy. We walkies down the Orere Point beach. Another pontoon down there. I thought this little river would have made it to the sea, but not quite yet. It could be low tide now. It looks like low tide. Lowish.
Looks quite nice.
Oops, that was a short walk along the beach. I don't fancy going in the water.
You can go to the toilet, yeah? Nobody's there.
Exactly.
Oh, look at this erosion. Don't get too cold.
It's got crabs written all over it. No! Oh, you almost got me, you. There's a little bit of a beach over here. That's a little bit of a climb again though. No. I'm watching you, water. beauty. Oyster bird. Oyster catcher.